Hello my lovely viewers! Ang lulutuin ko po ngayon ay latik or coconut curd. But before that, you are watching Ruby's Small Kitchen. Please do subscribe, like, shares, and hit the notification bell for you to notify for my uploaded videos. So, without any further ado, let's start cooking! So, this is all what we need. Grated coconut. All we have to do is just to squeeze the grated coconut by using our clean hands. And this is the way of squeezing it. As you can see that there is a squeezed coconut milk. Or if it's difficult for you to use your hands to squeeze it, you can use a cotton cloth like a cheesecloth, something like that. Just wrap the grated coconut with the cloth and squeeze it like you're squeezing the clothes. After you collect the coconut cream or milk, strain it. Then pour it on the pan that hasn't been turned on the stove yet. So now let's on our stove into a low flame. And start stirring it. And always scrape the sides so that the coconut milk does not stick on the pan. So just watch this video, and I didn't edit it. I just just put into a fast forward mode kasi the video is too long. So from this point, as you can see, the coconut milk is turning into a solid form. So just keep on watching until the end of this video. Enjoy!